superb family all-rounder will politely give rivals a bloody nose. Hard to fault across the board, clean sheet new XC90 is almost perfect. Volvo's legendarily safe, spacious and useful 7-seat SUV, given a nut and bolt reboot. One major principle remains: the engine is transversely mounted, and so a huge proportion of its length can be given over to the interior. More than ever this time, because they didn't leave space for a V8 option. Pretty well every part is fresh, even the redesigned Volvo badge. The all-new platform, engines and dash interface are Volvo's own work. So if you like them, don't go thinking you can find them cheaper on another brand. This company acts independently these days, albeit under hands-off ownership of a large Chinese conglomerate. Sensibly, this family SUV majors on comfort. The handling's not bad, but the main thing is relaxed well-being. Steering is feel less, but there's not too much roll or understeer, and as it's 4WD it has secure traction on wet roads. Caveat: so far we've tested only the ones with optional adaptive air suspension. The dash displays on most models are entirely virtual, and there's an optional HUD too. The turbo and supercharged petrol has good performance but only 4 cylinders, so why not just get the diesel? Unless that is you need the amazing tax-avoiding twin-engine plug-in hybrid, with 320 bhp for the front wheels and electric drive at the back for another 80-odd. Safety aids help make driving even more relaxing.